talk about clustering today. For this, I'm going to take a country vaccination data set. So I have loaded the data set and I have executed as well. As like if you want to ignore or if you want to make anything as an identifier, you can do it. I'm just directly going to a cluster tab. So here you have four types of cluster. So first one is a k-means clustering. So k-means clustering is a method which is like a vector quantization, and it is originally from a signal processing which aims to partition the clusters into n observations. In each observations we will be having a set of clusters. Okay, so that is k-means clustering. So this is very famous clustering. And next one is EWKM, which means entropy weighted k-means clustering. So the entropy weighted k-means clustering is also an algorithm, is a subspace cluster which deals for high dimensional data. If you have a high dimensional data, then you can go with an entropy weighted k-means clustering. Okay, so next one is the hierarchical clustering. So this is also a hierarchical cluster. We also call this a hierarchical cluster. And this is an algorithm that groups similar objects into groups called clusters. So the endpoint is a set of clusters where each cluster is unique and distinct from each of the clusters. And the last one is the biclusters. So biclustering is also called as a block clustering or a co-clustering. Is a data mining technique which allows a simultaneous clustering of the rows and columns of matrix. Okay, so only in Rattle only these four types of clusterings are allowed. So in k-means clustering, you can specify the number of clusters you want. So if I want 10 clusters, then I can click 10. Else, I can leave it as a default. Seed, as we talk about seed in the very first tab, that is the data tab, which will generate a random number. So this is the random number where the number generator seed. So how many random number generator will be there? So 42. If you want to change, you can change it. And how many runs you need? So if you want 3 to 4 runs, you can change it, or else you can have it as a 1. And if you want to make it as an iterate cluster, so if you want to iterate over the number of clusters till the above number of clusters specified, like 10 clusters I want, so it has to iterate, then you can select this, or else you can leave it as such. Okay, so once everything is done, you can just execute it. So as I mentioned here, I have 10 clusters and you have your cluster analysis. If you want to see the stats, you can just click stats. So it will generate a statistical cluster statistics for every individual variables. And if you want to plot the data, you can just give them like a select it, and these are the data plot. So always expect the graphs or any visualizations to be generated in the RStudio, so you have to see in the RStudio. Okay, so this is the plot which is generated based on the data. And if you want to see discriminant, so that is also generated here. So this is about k-means clustering. So if you want to check it for EW, entropy weighted k-means clustering, so like this, you may have you may receive some warning message or a pop-up message. So what is this? This is all about like few features need some extra packages to be installed. Okay, since your Rattle is built on R, and to fetch some features, it may ask you to install some packages. So read the warning. Whenever you're getting any warning, just read it, and it is telling you that it need the package called WSKM, okay, which is there in R. This is one time install and it will allow full functionality of Rattle. Okay, and if you want to install the Rattle package now, if you want to install package now, then click S or else click no. Okay, so I want it now, so I'm just pressing S. Okay, so it will start installing. So yours is installed. So now if you click AWKM, so it is generated, your output is generated here. So this is the output for AWKM. So if you want to create the statistics for this, that will also be created, and you can also create the data plot, discriminant plot, and weights plot. Okay, this is the weight plot for EWKM. It's like a form of a dendrogram and along with a heat map. Okay, so you try with the hierarchical cluster and bicluster and see, this is almost easy. So anyhow, once if you click a hierarchical cluster, you have to change, because since hierarchical cluster will calculate based on the distance, so you have different sort of distance measures like Euclidean distance maximum, Manhattan, Canberra, binary, Pearson, correlation, Spearman. So whatever you want, you can just give it. And agglomerate, so you can give complete or what, single, average. So these are the measures where we have to specify. Okay, and once everything is done, you can simply press execute. Okay, so whenever it needs some extra package, okay, since Rattle is built on R, and for executing even any other extra features with R, we need to install a specific package. Okay, so whenever you are trying to execute some features, or if you are trying to use some features or tabs in your Rattle, like even in associate, even in explore, it may appear even in the very first tab, data tab. Okay, in that case you have to read the warning, and you have to tell whether you need to install the package. That particular feature will work only if you install the package. Okay, so in that case you have to click S. So if you click S, you can see some downloading is happening automatically. See, it will automatically download, extract, and install. So if it needs any other extra installation, it will tell you. Or if it cannot be installed, or any other matrix or any error, that will also be shown by R. Okay, so you can just leave it. Likewise, even in by cluster. So whenever you're trying to execute something new, and if it needs some installation, it will ask you whether it can install on behalf of you. Okay, it is installing. So this is the output for the bicluster.